Good morning, dear students. Now, our next chapter is Major Landforms of the Earth, Chapter 6 of Geography. Yesterday, in online class, I have already discussed with you about this chapter. Yesterday, we had discussed about that the landforms are the results of two processes, that is, internal process and the external process. Internal process which is originated beneath the earth's surface and it leads to upliftment and the sinking. And the second is external process. External process that works on the earth. Clear? And it leads to the erosion and the deposition. And the large rivers of ice that are found at the high elevated mountains, they are known as the glaciers. And mountains are the natural elevations of the earth's surface. There are three types of mountains. They are block mountain, fold mountain and volcanic mountain. All these things we have already discussed. And the example of fold mountains, example of block mountains and volcanic mountains. And fold mountains are again of two types, young fold mountains and the old fold mountains. Now today we will discuss about the plateaus. Plateau is an elevated flat land. It is highlands with a broad and more or less flat surface. Here it is. Due to the flat topped surface, it is also known as tableland. And the Deccan Plateau in India is the oldest plateau, and the other are the East African Plateau in Kenya, Western Plateau of Australia, Tanzania, Uganda, plateaus of Uganda and Tanzania, and Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. And like mountains, plateaus are also very useful. The advantages of plateaus are they are rich in minerals. Plateaus are also huge source of gold, diamond. And western plateaus of Australia, African plateaus, these are of world famous for gold and diamond mining. Anantapur are the famous gold and diamond mines of India that lies in the Deccan Plateaus. When the rivers fall down from the high plateaus, they form waterfalls also. Hydroelectricity is originated by the falling water. In our country, Hundru waterfalls on the river Subarna Rekha, which you can say that Chota Nagpur Plateau, and Jog Falls on the river Saravati, which is in Karnataka. These are the significant waterfalls that are used to generate hydroelectricity. They can be developed as places of tourist destinations. Then plateaus are rich in coal, manganese, iron, limestones. Clear? And like mountains, there are limitations of the plateaus also. They are composed of hard rocks, so less favorable for human settlements than the plain areas. And farming activities on the plateaus, it depends on the rainfall. if there is a lack of rainfall, they are not suitable for human settlements.